Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I'm Benidorm Mad Mike. We do videos on Benidorm, around Benidorm, let you know what's going on. If you like the videos, don't forget to like and subscribe and enjoy the video. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to have a look up at the old music tavern there. We were doing building work up here last time we were up here, so we're going to have a look what they're doing. You know, the original people that run the bar went. I think I had a bit of a bad year last year. Another one this year coming. They moved on elsewhere. There's a Dynastic Hotel. One of the hotels that's still open, I believe. There you go. Fantastic pool out the back there. There's the entrance. I think it is open still, isn't it, Marcus? Yeah. It doesn't look very open-minded, does it? I think it is. Yeah. We're ordering up for Christmas. As with most hotels. Open or not. The Union Jack there. That hasn't been open since lockdown, I don't think. I don't know whether they're still there or what's happening. You can see there's plenty of shops open. The Chinese restaurant over the road there. definitely giving it a facelift in there. I don't know exactly what they're doing to it. No, they're just refitting it. They've pulled all the walls out. If anybody's got any ideas, let us know. I'm sure it'll be very nice when they've done it all. Bit of a mess at the moment though. By the red line, I should imagine they've got shows on again now. Let's go over and have a look. Yep. I'm not actually advertising anything that's on at the moment. On this side anyway. I think they're still open anyway. Usually open by this time. Maybe they're just opening in the evening now. They are shut. Okay, I take it they're going to be open next year now. Let's show you the notice. Hope you can see that alright. Okay, so that's another one we've lost. Moving on. I think with the restrictions, some of these bars have tried to push it a little bit, and they get fined. I think it's just not worth it for them to open. Again, they need to take so much money. Okay guys, I'm going to end the video here. Like and subscribe as normal, and we'll see you on the next one.